something I like to ask you, so why don't you cut the beat and I'll do the do and watch me in the crowd, an original preview. It's nothing new, just the TDS crew, and you're thinking and you're wondering and don't have a clue. DBC, Michael K, and I'm the original. D's a cut rooter, I'm a rhyming dude, and Mike plays a beat with two bamboo. And all your nut monkey rappers, you belong in the zoo, cause
the rhyme you're about to hear is true.
And we laugh, and we laugh, and we laugh, and we laugh.
Yo, what's up with TDS,
It's time to rhyme at the ring of the bell, and rhyme so sweet just like caramel. Get caught in the spell, no time to rebel. Fresh crack out the shell, now it's time to excel. Gotta get mine in the MC field with DBC on the wheel, bringing calm to a yield, causing all DJs much anxiety. Expansion of the cuts and the rhyme variety, cause we got that TDS formula. Throwing thumbs close in it, this is no replica. The posse in the crew, go chill at the realm. I break the snake and the girls I overwhelm. I started doing this at a very young age with the barber station and a Heineken beverage and lever and mic in my right hand, rhyming to make history. A rap historian, not just any battle. I pick up and accommodate. Coogie's out to kill, while Dad's out to devastate. Cuts so tactical, rhymes true fact. You know we only came here for one thing, and that's the rock for y'all. Coogee is gangsta, I just abbreviated. Rhymes got tougher while a posse got accumulated. Non-stop, the hip-hop is what I will pursue. Crush the counterfeit suckers who cross the crew. That's right, homie, I'm talking to you, Ed.
The rhyme you're about to hear is true.
And we laugh, and we laugh, and we laugh.
Leave suckers, man. Walking on banana peels, man. You're slipping. But it's dope, yo, D, hit it.
Let's go back to when I hip-hop begun. Just a featherweight MC, but still no comparison. Just like anybody, I got down with a crew and said, let's see exactly what the crew can do. The crew held its own whenever I'm around, but then when I left, they're stuck with the whack sound. It's not my fault, cause whatever is I let it. TDS is athletic, the other group pathetic. I'm not popping corn, just being on the level, being true to the gun like it's an ass of the devil. The rhyme I write and say will stick with you forever. This my jockey is clever, don't care who ever say a battle with the posse is easy. Cause D's slick like grease and I'm cool like the breeze. See, look just before we leave, to make sure no suckers had a chance to creep. Now that I'm positive, just like before,
the rhyme you're about to hear is true.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Just plain dope. That's all I gotta say, man.
South Bend.